I have the state emergency response team preparing for the largest evacuation that we have seen, most likely since 2017 Hurricane Irma.
Floridians are bracing for the second major hurricane in less than 2 weeks. Forecasters predict Milton will make landfall Wednesday and then plow across most of the state. Officials are issuing both mandatory and voluntary evacuation orders for at-risk areas.
I urge Floridians to finalize your storm preparations now, enact your plan. I highly encourage you to evacuate.
The National Hurricane Center warns flooding could threaten millions of residents. Some are preparing with sandbags.
We got kind of damaged Hurricane Ian, so just make sure that we get a little bit more precautious, making sure all the sandbags are at our doorstep garage.
I think we're just going to put sandbags in our back porch. We're going to get like groceries later and stuff in case it's really bad.
Milton's timing could be dangerous. In some areas, the ground is already saturated from Hurricane Helene, and cleanup from that storm continues.
One of the things that we did was make sure that all disaster debris management sites that were impacted by Hurricane Helene, that they remain open 24/7 for drop-off.
I saw Joker when I saw you. The whole world's mine with you. For once in my life, I didn't feel so alone anymore.
Lady Gaga joins Joaquin Phoenix in Joker, Folie à Deux.
You can do anything you want.
The sun comes.
You're Joker.
One thing Phoenix had never done, according to director Todd Phillips, was a sequel.
That reasoning alone, he's all over it, meaning his imprint is all over it, because we wanted to do something that made him just as nervous as the first movie made him.
I knew that this movie would be the continuation for him, and we would see where life took him. I was deeply touched by that story, so I really wanted to be a part of it. And I wanted to build the woman that would be his match.
We use music to make us whole, to balance the fractures within ourselves.
Because there's music in this film, and we wanted to do it differently, I really tried to navigate her voice to make something that was unique and special to Lee, my character.
When they're really singing to each other, you want her to be singing as the character, not as Gaga, not as to her ability. And that character is not necessarily a professional singer.
Every woman deserves their own voice, and I wanted Lee to have her own. Sing hallelujah, come on, get happy. Ready for the judgment day.
In Hollywood, I'm David Daniel.
Miles de personas se han convocado en la llamada Plaza de los Secuestrados aquí en Tel Aviv, dando inicio a una serie de convocatorias que se darán en todo el país en conmemoración de este aniversario del 7 de octubre de la invasión del grupo terrorista Hamas al territorio israelí, una invasión que dejó una masacre de 1.200 personas asesinadas, 240 personas que han sido secuestradas y tomadas como rehenes en la Franja de Gaza, de las cuales 101 todavía siguen dentro del enclave, donde lamentablemente se calcula que 30 de ellas han perdido la vida, o por lo menos no hay ningún tipo de información. La expectativa en la noche de Israel es sobre cuándo sucederá la respuesta de Israel contra Irán a los 180 misiles lanzados por Teherán la última semana. El propio vocero del ejército israelí, Ronnie Kaplan, confirmó que esta respuesta se dará y se dará en coordinación con los Estados Unidos. Claro está, aquí en Israel está el jefe del Comando Central norteamericano, en uno de los 11 comandos de los Estados Unidos que tiene a su cargo el movimiento militar justamente en Medio Oriente. Esta respuesta de Israel tendrá obviamente también una posible implicancia en lo que sea la actitud por parte de Irán, pero también del grupo terrorista Hezbollah. La ofensiva militar de Israel se mantiene en el norte, en la frontera con el Líbano, se mantienen los bombardeos en los suburbios de Beirut, la capital libanesa, donde se concentra la mayor cantidad de comandos centrales del Hezbollah. Este aniversario trae consigo y se puede palpar en la calle cierto grado de tristeza, cierto grado de preocupación, pero sobre todo cierto grado de incertidumbre sobre cuál será el futuro de una guerra que nadie se anima a visorar cuál será el final.